Hey guys, so so I was using the Alienware 13R3 from last almost 1 year. So 7th generation i7 with 8 GB RAM, and just thinking to upgrade it to another. So I just purchased a 16 gig DDR4 266 megahertz Patriot Viper. So I check some online, and I never heard about Patriot Viper before. But when I check the ranking in Tom's Hardware, it was kind of a very good one. So that's why I ordered on Amazon. So as I live in Japan, so I ordered from Amazon.jp and came today. So here you can see. So okay, let's go and let's set up. I don't know how to open this one. Oh my god. How to open this one? Okay, got it. Oh, not like that. Oh, not lock it. Oh, little tough to open. Not sure where I should try. Okay, let's try deeper. Okay, finally I got the axis. Oh, that's a little tough. Oh my god. Ooh. Ah, finally. Okay. Finally, I got the RAM. So here it is. Actually, a little bit thicker because of this red portion, and both of the side it has a red portion, and I'm a little afraid it will fit on the Alienware 13R3 or not. So let's get it started. Okay, I have to open this panel in the first place. Okay. Okay. And secondly, what should I do? Still tight. Oh. This panel. Did I miss this one? Okay. Now I have the excess. This panel. Open. Any more clips? Oh, little hard. not so easy to open when it's the first time, so maybe there could be more clips here. Port opened. So here is, put it like this. Okay, so first you should release the battery cable first, like here. Release the battery first. So doing check online, so they suggest to release this one first. Oh, this one is also tied as well. Okay, got it. Then I should try this one. I believe there's some space here and I won't face any problem. Okay, wish me luck. Here we go, no problem. I just successfully attached the Patriot Viper RAM, and my laptop is a little bit dusty, so later I'll clean up. But first I should try to check it's working. Okay, it's connected. Nice. Okay, let's try like this. Not displaying anything. Okay, I have the window now. Yeah, I got it. An amount of system memory has changed. If you didn't change your memory, to resolve the issue, try to restore the memory. Continue. Okay, so this machine is on dual boot, so I'm accessing in Windows 10 first. So Windows 10 logo, coming, and okay, finally go here. Okay, I think I'm successfully able to, yeah, it's pretty fast. Wow, nice. Wow, it's 24 gig, you can see 24, and now 2 of 2 slots is being used, and form factor is SODIMM, and I have a spaky, so I can check from here. Wow, works nice. Okay, yeah, 24 gig of RAM. Number of modules 2. Number 1 is the previous one, Hyundai Electronics, DDR4 266, and slot 2, the newer one, the Patriot one. Still, I can see the manufacturer, Patriot memory, and the DDR4 2666. I think you can see. clearly.